You're looking at a person wondering, why do they look younger than they probably are? Well, it might be because they have really nice white teeth. So how do they do it? How do they get their teeth white? Are there natural ways to whiten your teeth? And how do I whiten my teeth? Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Now, I'm here today with Dr. Denise Shostek, and we're talking today about getting whiter teeth and how it contributes to a more youthful look. Denise, now why do whiter teeth give the appearance of youthfulness?
Well, first of all, when we look at a person, the first thing you notice is their smile. Mm-hmm. You're going to notice the teeth. Are the teeth clean? Mm-hmm. Or are they yellow or beige or even gray? Mm-hmm. If they're discolored and they're not white, it looks like the person has just not taken care of their teeth. They've probably had a poor diet, or they're a smoker, and it just doesn't communicate a vibrancy and a cleanness.
Well, younger people have whiter teeth. I mean, when we're children, when we're teenagers, we still have white teeth. It's very unusual to see a teenager with yellowed or beige teeth. So that's why we connect. And a lot of people in their 20s still have fairly white teeth. I know that's when mine started going yellow, definitely in my 20s and into my 30s.
If you think about it, most young people don't even drink coffee.
Right.
Coffee will stain your teeth. Red wine will stain your teeth. Cigarette smoking.
Tea.
Tea.
I'm the tea drinker.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Here's something else to think about. As people age, they've lost complete awareness as to what their smile actually looks like. Moms that are too busy, dads working long hours, but it might be good to check in with your dentist, to check in with somebody in the family, and do like one of those side checks where you check against each other and just look and see what your teeth look like.
Right. And when you're at the hygienist getting your teeth cleaned, that would be a good time to ask. They have samples of teeth in various stages of whiteness or yellowness or beigeness, so they can hold it up and tell you about where you're at. What would you say are some of the causes of getting yellow or beige teeth?
Drinking coffee, drinking alcohol, smoking cigarettes, the teetotalers. Acidic foods will do that, and simply not going to the dentist on a regular basis. Not brushing your teeth.
Yeah, I did notice in some black and white photos of my parents that my dad had yellower teeth than my mother. My mother's were always more white in the front. Wow. And I take after my father. So it's no surprise that my teeth went more beige yellow by the time I was in my 30s. Now, you have a method for whitening your teeth naturally, and this is something that you use. So why don't you tell us about that and how you do it?
Okay. I learned this from a friend at the health club. It's really simple. I make a slurry of baking soda mixed with hydrogen peroxide.
About half and half, or
no, not quite. It's more baking soda than hydrogen peroxide.
So you start with this in a bowl.
I start with this in just a little, like a little cup, and then I add in a little bit of hydrogen peroxide, and I brush my teeth with it. Sometimes afterwards, I'll brush my teeth with just a natural toothpaste that's peppermint flavored, just to take any odors out of the mouth. And then other times, if I've had coffee, tell you the truth, I will rinse my mouth with this. But here's the deal. Hydrogen peroxide is toxic. You cannot swallow this stuff. You must rinse your mouth at least 4 or even 5 times to get all of it out of your mouth. But it kills germs, it kills bacteria, and it takes care of halitosis as well. And
this is just the drugstore version. It's not food grade, that's why you can't swallow it, but it's just the drugstore version that I think is 3%.
3%.
Yeah. Now, here is what I've been doing to whiten my teeth since 1998. It's not natural at all. So at my dentist, they made a mold of my teeth. I have the mold wrapped in bubble wrap in a bag, just in case the plastic tray they made from the mold ever breaks. They said, just bring the mold back and we'll make you a new one. So I have my plastic trays in here, and they fit my teeth perfectly, even though my teeth have shifted a little bit. Yeah, if you don't like teeth things, close your eyes. Exactly. But they fit me perfectly. It's better than using something that's just over the counter and doesn't fit you. Then I'm out of these, but the gel bleach is actually comes in syringes, and they usually come 4 in a pack, and I'll buy them from my dentist. Now, I used to use the percentage that you'd use overnight, or at least for 4 hours. I really didn't like that solution, but they've got a stronger one that you can use for 30 minutes, and that's great, except I have to do it a few days in a row because my teeth get so beige, and they don't, for me, it doesn't come off very fast. For some people, 1 or 2 tries and their teeth are really white. Now, Denise had a solution for saving money on this, so why don't you tell us your idea for that? And I'm going to take you up in this and buy my next set of bleach this way.
Yeah. A lot of cities will have dental hygienist schools or a dental school, and you can go there and they will offer you huge discounts, not only on their services, but on that mold and then the solution that you put inside the mold. I think it's more in the range of 70% discount.
Oh, wow.
So a $400 white toothing system is $100, which would include the tray with the molded, those molds.
Yeah.
And then when you go for refills, it's $30 in our neck of the woods.
Wow, that's quite a saving. So they're probably teaching them how to make the mold, because then they send the mold out and have the trays made, the little plastic trays, and then bring you back in. And then, I don't know, you'd have to talk to the particular school where you go, because when I did that at my dentist, I was going back to the dentist every week, and I did 2 weeks in a row because they want to monitor you, and they might do that there as well. But this might be a great way for me to save some money when I buy the syringes the next time. Check out one of my other videos about anti-aging ideas by clicking one of its images on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.